If you're wanting to thrive and shine online, it's really important that you have a marketing funnel in place. But marketing funnels are one of those things. A lot of people know about it, but not everyone has one. At Thrive and Shine, we've got the Attention Authority Framework, which is a 7-step process that's going to allow you to connect with your ideal customers and clients and turn them from not knowing who you are into being curious about what you do and then connecting with you and becoming raving fans eventually once they start working with you. So with this framework, we have 7 modules. Module 1 is about your avatar. It's about knowing who your ideal customers are and understanding them on a deeper level. Module 2 then goes into how to actually connect with them with a really awesome niche. So when you've got a niche, you've got a unique selling proposition. Now your USP is really important because that's what makes you stand out from your competitors. Module 3 is about awareness. Brand awareness, personal branding, all of that is so important because when you have brand awareness, that's when people start to recognize your brand and they want to start working with you from knowing who you are and also following you on social media, of course. Module 4 is about attraction. Attract is also about building your lead magnet. So in the Attract model, we actually talk about your lead magnet. We get clear on what it is that you're going to create and we build your lead magnet. So this module is really important for those that don't already have free resources or lead magnets that they have created. Module 5 is about content. Your content is ultimately what sells. So you've got to make sure that you've got great content and that you're giving value. Having a content plan in place is also really important, and that's what we do in this module. We put together your content plan and we make sure that it all connects and it flows so that you're not posting at ad hoc or spontaneous times. Module 6 is about convert. Making sure that you know how to convert your customers and turn your followers into customers is really important. When we work on convert, we help you to build persuasion and we also allow you to understand the framework behind copywriting. And finally, module 7 is all about automations and flow. We help you create automations for your email marketing systems and we connect it all up so that it flows and connects, and ultimately you can take time off your business to work on your business and the things that you love doing, and all of this will start to take place without you having to spend too much time online. So that is the purpose of the Thrive and Shine Attention Authority Framework. If you want to know more, make sure that you book a discovery call with me, or you can also send me a DM and my team and I will connect with you and we can help you start building your strategy now so that you can not only thrive and shine online, but you can take your message out to the masses and connect with your audience on a deeper level in order to grow your business and your brand. So make sure that you reach out, connect, and I look forward to helping you thrive and shine.